This is the story how a girl from Delhi went on her first trip to northeast of India, that is Meghalaya. Welcome to my journey. How she ended up calling land so far from home her own, my Meghalaya. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको दिखाया आप चिरापुंजी में एक दिन में क्या क्या एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, और हमने देखा दुआन सिंह व्यू पॉइंट, वकाबा फॉल्स, नोकालिकाई फॉल्स, आरवा केव, मौसमी केव्स एंड सेवन सिस्टर फॉल्स। और दिन के आखिर में बिना ही जाने मुझसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई और मैंने अपना सफ़र शुरू किया अपनी आखिरी डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ, जो कि थी टिरना विलेज। अगले दिन सुबह उठने पर मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया किस तरह पिछली रात सबसे वर्स्ट और सबसे लकीस्ट नाइट थी।
Now, I would like to tell you something because last night I was messed up in some shit. What happened actually, my last spot that was Seven Sister Falls I went, and unknowingly I left my bag there and I forgot, and when I reached to the resort I recalled that I left my bag there, so in which all my passport documents and my MacBook, all thing was there. So what I did was I asked my driver to again go back to the same place, and when I went there was no bag there that time. So those parking people are very helpful. He specially came for me from his place. He was at home, especially by car. He took my bag from there, and from police station also he did all the work for me, and then he gave my bag. So do make a visit to Meghalaya because people are very nice. And I booked a resort in Tirna village, and because double decker bridge is very close from here, and this is a very nice resort. Just give it a check, and if you stay here then it's very easy for you to do hike down for double decker bridge. Hi guys, so I have started my journey now for double decker living root bridge, and it's very easy to come from this resort Smoky Falls only because it's nearby, starts from here only, and it's around 3500 stairs that I have to go down, and then I have to climb back as well. So let's see how it goes. Already like 700 steps, but I'm feeling good. Some areas are very steep, guys. I hope you can see from here. Guys, I just saw people do a lot of effort there for taking things from up to down or down to up, and it's really hard for them. So Meghalaya people are really hardworking. So I don't think so. It really minds that if you pay a bit extra for them for their efforts. guys, I'm really doing a lot of efforts in making this video and to show you how to reach to this beautiful place. Please like and subscribe to my channel because it motivates me to do such things for you.
I can't breathe without your
Sweating, guys, and I'm already doing a lot of sweating. So all I did breakfast, all getting out. How far more to the living room bridge?
Single one, basement.
Double decker 1.5. Thank you. Guys, on the way to Living Root Bridge, I'm trying fresh local lemon juice.
Yes. Hello.
It's tasty. This is the local lemon the girl gave me. This is also lemon?
No, this is Amilo.
Pomelo. Okay. This is how big lemon they have.
Look,
Yeah.
smell.
If you scratch it,
Smell.
it smells so nice. Very natural. So guys, before moving to double decker bridge, there is longest single decker bridge. That is what I am going to see now, and later I'll be going to double decker from here only. So guys, it's just charge 10 rupees per person for entry for adult, and I think children would also be same. But for if you are carrying video camera, they charge 20 rupees.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your
यहाँ की ये जो ब्रिज है, चाहे सिंगल डेकर है चाहे डबल डेकर ब्रिज है, दोनों यहाँ के लोग खुद अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझ के खुद इसे मेंटेन रखते हैं। अगर हर इंसान अपनी जिम्मेदारी इस तरीके से समझ ले, आई डोंट नो फ्यूचर हमारा कितना ऑसम होगा।
Guys, I just saw the single decker living root bridge. That is the longest bridge here, and it's pure natural, all made by the people and the roots of the trees. Very beautiful. And yes, one more thing, if you'll walk on it, it's very shaky, so try that. Not two people will walk together on that. Now on, I have to return back to the place from where I had juice. And from there, like single decker and double decker are on opposite sides. So again, going back from there, I have to move now to double decker bridge. So guys, from that single decker bridge, from that longest bridge, the double decker is around 40 to 45 minutes away.
I can't breathe without your
So guys, before reaching to the double decker bridge, there is a bridge that is made by iron, but if you are walking, walk carefully because it is very shaky. That was fun, guys. Let's explore more ahead. This is really difficult. And stuff yourself properly because all will go in just hiking. Guys, second iron bridge before double decker bridge. And the water below in the river is very pure, very blue and very clear. listen to the sound of the nature, guys. And there are so many types of beautiful butterflies. So guys, on the way to double decker bridge, there is one natural single decker bridge which people of this village Nongriat use on daily basis for their day-to-day purposes.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your.
जब तक ये पेड़ यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, मजबूत हैं, तब तक ये ब्रिज भी सेल्फ रिन्यू और सेल्फ स्ट्रेंथन होता रहता है।
Left double decker bridge and it was very pretty and you can enjoy there while sitting calmly just by the water and yes, very important thing, there was a pond, there is water coming there from the waterfall and there are fishes, so you can have free fish spa there for you. And one more thing, now it's getting like it's 2 o'clock already and I have to climb upstairs, so it would like take like I think 2 or 2.5 hours and it gets early dark here, so I have to start back now. Guys, going back now. Got some friends on the way.
यहाँ का लेमन वाटर मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि वापस जाते वक्त मैंने इसके 2 ग्लास और पिए।
Difficult to track up. 1300 more steps, guys. It's a never-ending task. You find it easier, maybe? Right? Walking bare feet. Guys, that is the village where you have to reach.
Traveling is like breathing for me, and the best part about traveling is that I get to interact with new fellow travelers who finally become friends.
Very hard, but it's still worth it to go see the double decker bridge.
It's as easy as just getting up from my bed. I want to make it hard for myself. पहुंचने वाले हैं नौगरियाट। कहाँ पर?
Guys, on the way I made friends also. I met one couple and they were actually from US but they were from South India, Chennai, and they had some problem in walking because they were trekking for so long. This trek would be completed in 5 hours, but because they have problem in legs, so I slowed down with them because it gives them company and to me also. So it was good to have to enjoy this trek with them. So if you want to go to Rainbow Falls, add 3 more hours. So actually it's a journey of 8 hours.
वापस पहुंचते पहुंचते सनसेट हो गया था और मेरे गले की बैंड बज गई थी।
So this is my room for today.
And with that, I went to bed dreaming of most beautiful waterfall I'm going to see in Meghalaya and the Asia's cleanest village. So guys, see you in the next vlog.
And that is the place if you can see behind where we went down. I don't know what he will say.
I can't live